Welcome back to Autoverse, the place where innovation meets the open road. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell so you never miss an update on the latest in automotive tech and lifestyle rides. Today, we're exploring something that pushes the limits of design, freedom, and functionality, the 2026 Trike camper tricycle. Yes, you heard that right, it's part trike, part camper, and all about mobile living in a compact, eco-conscious way. At first glance, the 2026 Trike camper looks like a futuristic hybrid between a cargo bike and a micro RV. But this isn't just about appearance, it's about reimagining how we experience travel and minimalism. Designed for solo adventurers and urban nomads, the Trike camper is built with purpose, offering comfort, shelter, and mobility in a way that's ultra-efficient and surprisingly practical. The base of the camper is a three-wheeled electric tricycle frame. Stable, low to the ground, and incredibly easy to maneuver, even in tight city spaces or rugged trails. The electric assist motor makes pedaling effortless, especially when you're carrying gear or climbing hills. With a top speed of around 28 miles per hour, it won't win any races, but it's perfect for scenic cruises, campsite hopping, or stealth urban camping. Now, what really sets the 2026 Trike camper apart is the camper pod mounted on the back. It's a fully enclosed, lightweight shell made of recycled aluminum and durable composite panels. Despite its compact size, it's been brilliantly engineered to maximize interior space. There's a fold-out bed that turns into a bench during the day, a small pull-out table, LED lighting, USB ports powered by rooftop solar panels, and clever compartments for gear storage. You even get a collapsible sink with a foot pump water system and optional mini fridge. Ventilation? It's taken care of with pop-open side windows and a roof vent, keeping things fresh even when you're parked under the sun. And yes, for those wondering, there's an optional portable toilet that tucks neatly under the bench. Everything is designed to be clean, compact, and easy to maintain. Power-wise, the solar panels charge a lithium-ion battery pack, which powers your lights, USB ports, and small appliances. The e-assist system also charges while you pedal or descend slopes, helping extend your range. On a full charge, the electric motor can assist for up to 60 miles, and with solar trickle charging, it's great for longer, slower-paced travel off the grid. What's especially exciting about the Trike camper is how it aligns with the growing micro-mobility movement. As cities worldwide invest in bike lanes and car-free zones, this camper trike becomes more than a novelty, it's a serious contender for sustainable travel. Whether you're planning a cross-country journey or just need a mobile base for weekend escapes, this trike offers a freedom that's hard to match. In terms of usability, it's ideal for solo travelers, digital nomads, and even local delivery folks who want to work by day and rest comfortably at night. The whole unit weighs around 150 to 200 pounds, depending on your configuration, so it's relatively light and easy to store. And since it doesn't require fuel or traditional registration in many areas, it's much cheaper to operate and maintain than a van or car camper. Now, let's talk customization. The 2026 Trike camper can be ordered in different frame sizes and paint options. There's a deluxe model with an upgraded suspension, larger solar array, and heated mattress for colder climates. Some models even include a canopy awning and fold-out kitchen platform that extends behind the Trike, turning your rest stop into a mini campsite in minutes. Of course, there are limitations. It's not designed for families or long-term off-road travel. It won't replace your RV or towable camper. But for eco-conscious explorers looking to downsize their footprint while maximizing adventure, this thing is a dream. It's a bold statement on wheels. A reminder that we don't need to go big to go far. Sometimes, the most meaningful experiences come when we travel light, live simply, and stay connected to the environment around us. So whether you're a cyclist with a passion for camping, or just someone who's tired of gas prices and hotel bills, the 2026 Trike camper tricycle might be exactly what you need to rediscover the joy of travel, at your own pace, on your own terms. Let us know in the comments, would you take one of these out for a weekend getaway? Or maybe even try living in one full-time? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching Autoverse, where the road is always open and the future is always rolling forward. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more cutting-edge rides and smart travel ideas. Until next time, keep your wheels turning and your mind open.